What is a hornpipe in Irish dance? Have you ever found yourself tapping your feet to the lively sounds of Irish music? If so, you might be curious about the hornpipe in Irish dance. This dance form is a vibrant part of Irish traditions and offers a unique experience for both dancers and audiences. A hornpipe is not just a dance. It is also a type of music that has roots in Irish, Scottish, and English cultures. In the context of Irish dance, it is primarily performed as a solo dance, often showcased at competitions and performances. Dancers wear hard shoes, which have a stiff sole and heel. This footwear allows them to create rhythmic sounds by striking the floor, adding to the lively atmosphere of the performance. The rhythm of a hornpipe is both lively and steady. The music typically follows a 4/4 signature, meaning there are 4 beats in each measure. This gives the dance a unique pace, slower than a reel but faster than a slow jig. Dancers focus on precise movements, often shifting their weight from the ball of the foot to the heel, sometimes incorporating a noticeable hop. There are 2 main styles of hornpipe dances, fast and slow. Beginners usually start with the fast hornpipe, which is energetic and fun. More experienced dancers may tackle the slow hornpipe, which is considered more challenging due to its complexity and the control required. While both styles are played at a steady tempo, the steps and rhythms differ, providing a distinct experience for each. One of the most famous examples of a hornpipe is the sailor's hornpipe. This dance mimics the movements of sailors on a ship, adding a playful element to the performance. At festivals or shows, you might notice this connection to maritime life, making it even more engaging. In Irish set dancing, the hornpipe figure often appears as one of the final parts of a set. It serves as a mixer, allowing dancers to change partners, which adds to the social aspect of the dance. When you watch a hornpipe performance in Ireland, you will see dancers in colorful costumes, moving with sharp, rhythmic steps. The sound of their hard shoes striking the floor creates a lively atmosphere that captures the essence of Irish culture. If you have the chance to attend a dance show or festival while traveling in Ireland, keep an ear out for the distinctive hornpipe rhythm. The energetic footwork and playful movements will surely leave a lasting impression, offering a glimpse into the rich musical heritage of the country.